How to correctly install backer board for bathroom tiling. Imagine transforming your bathroom into a sleek, water-resistant space that lasts 4 years. The secret lies in how you prepare the surface before you lay the tiles. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to install backer board properly, ensuring your tiling project is solid and durable. First, start with a clean and dry surface. Remove any old adhesive, debris, or loose material. If you're working on a wooden subfloor or wall studs, check that the framing is solid and spaced correctly. For walls, studs should be no more than 16 inches apart, and for floors, the spacing can be up to 24 inches depending on the backer board type. Next, measure the area carefully. Use a tape measure to get the length and width, then cut your backer board to fit. For thinner cement boards, a utility knife works well. For thicker boards, a circular saw with a carbide-tipped blade is best. Always cut the board slightly larger than needed and dry fit it to confirm the size before attaching. Remember to make any necessary cutouts for plumbing pipes or electrical boxes. Once your pieces are ready, spread a layer of thin-set mortar onto the surface using a notched trowel. This mortar acts as an adhesive and helps fill gaps between the subfloor or wall and the backer board. It also prevents any movement once the board is in place. Place the backer board onto the wet mortar, pressing firmly to ensure full contact. Leave a small gap of about 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters between each sheet. This allows for expansion and contraction over time. Secure the board with backer board screws, driving them flush with the surface. For floors, space screws every 6 to 8 inches, and for walls every 12 inches. Be careful not to drive the screws too deep, as this can break the surface. Now, tape all the joints between the backer board sheets with fiberglass mesh tape. Cover each seam with a thin layer of thin-set mortar to seal it. This step is vital to prevent moisture from seeping through and to create a smooth, continuous surface for tiling. Finally, let the mortar cure fully according to the manufacturer's instructions. This ensures the backer board is firmly bonded and ready for tile installation. If you are working in a wet area like a shower, consider adding waterproofing membranes or using waterproof backer boards to boost moisture resistance. Following these steps will give you a strong, flat, and moisture-resistant base. This foundation helps prevent tile cracking, mold growth, and water damage over time. Proper installation of backer board is a key part of any bathroom renovation, making sure your beautiful new tiles stay in place and look great for years to come.